over here to try these Torres Tapas, and it's pickle flavored potato chips. And these are made in Spain. On the back here it says it's gluten-free. It's also got ingredients lists for many countries, in many languages. So let me try it out. Here's one. So far I'm not tasting any pickle taste at all. Okay, the ingredients say potatoes, sunflower oil, whey powder, which is milk, sugar, natural flavorings, which are mustard and milk, spices, fructose, acidity regulator, which is citric acid, I think. And that's it. So I don't see vinegar on there. I don't see it. Well, dill might be in the spices area, but these don't really taste like pickles or dill flavoring or even hardly any spices. Okay, I got this chip from the bottom of the bag in case the flavoring all settled to the bottom. Okay, these do not taste like pickles to me. They taste like good potato chips, but not like pickles at all. They don't even really smell like pickles or vinegar, you know, all that kind of things you associate with pickles. So it's a good tasting chip, but not the flavor it said it was going to be. So I'm going to give it a C. So I'm going to take another bite. I'll see you in the next one.